I need one little move up. Bam! All out 100%. Whew! All right, let me cancel my stop. Hey, what's up YouTube traders? This is William from Bearable Traders, and I recorded myself live again today, and I really explained everything, so it should be really good. And now it's 30 minutes, how long is it? 30, 45 minutes after I completed my trade, and look at that chart. And I explained how I got the top of that, that wick, and the top of that reversal at the point that it hit the 50 moving average, and then I got 100% out, and I really go through the analyzing of the charts, and now look, it's going up. It never hit my original stop. It never even hit my second stop. But I would have had to wait 30 to 45 minutes, and sometimes I can do that, sometimes I don't want to do that. So I'm so thrilled with this trade, and I wanted to show you this. Yeah, the move continued, but I analyzed my charts correctly. I got what I wanted, and I got out, not caring that it's going to make a bigger move later, because it could have dumped also. So let's get into this. And I've got an interesting play here on GGAL. It's a reversal. Okay, I'm in 5-minute highs. I've got a 2-minute bull flag. My stop is 16.26, so that's 40 cents. You can see that. 16.26 is my stop. I want to go for a 3-to-1, so that's 40 cents. So I need about $1.20, which from 16.67, 40, 80, 120. So that's about 1787-ish. So now let's see if my risk to reward analysis works on this chart. I need about 1787 for my 3-to-1. And that's right at this 50 moving average, which is good. But this 9 moving average, this could be the top. This is where a lot of orders might come in. And I know that, so I'm going to reduce this from a 3-to-1 because of this moving average in the way. And I'm going to get all out. I don't care. It'll be like a 2.5 or so, right under this moving average, right under this moving average. Let me get that in really quick. I should have already had it in. So there, I'm going to put 100% out. And now that's at, you can see it's coming up right here. So when our risk to reward is really good, but we see the chart and know that there might be resistance points between our risk to reward, we can partial out, we can get all out, we can reanalyze based on that. We can also just say like, all right, well, look, I have this 15-minute chart, but look at this 60-minute chart. This is a nasty, nasty downtrend. I don't need to catch a giant move on this. Okay, I'll get about a 2.5-to-1 on this little trade with this stop and then to there, right there. And if it doesn't work out, fine, because look, it's close to working out. And I could get out right now at over a 1-to-1. So it feels good, like I'm reading the chart correctly. If I can get filled at 1745-ish, which is under this moving average, under this moving average, under the 5, everything in this trade would have been great. Now what's interesting about this is that Andrew called this out in the chat, and he got in before me. And he did some stuff with it that you can look in his recap. But when I saw it, I was like, all right, maybe Andrew's reading this chart for me. Maybe he didn't get the best fill and he's not executing the trade perfectly. But if I can see what he's reading and I know how to execute my own trading style, well, then it's like a beautiful way how to use our chat room, how to use other people, how to use traders. Take the idea and then learn how to execute within your own trading style. So let's look at this live. All right, we've got some green buying here. Lots of green buying. Okay, the spread is 3 cents, so it's not really, I would wish it was a little bigger spread so that every time there was a buyer, like you hit the hotkey, spread goes up, spread goes up, spread goes up, and it just like really goes up fast to 1750-ish for me. Doesn't always happen. Okay, so right now it's trying to hold the VWAP. Remember, I'm down here, okay? I'm down there. Right now, I'm going to change my stop to break even, because if this trade doesn't work out and it makes a new 5-minute low, you know, I'll get out, I'll change my stop to 1647 because I don't want a new, I don't want to be long against a new low. So now my stop is 1647. Let me put that in. Okay, so remember, it doesn't show up on the chart in the right way when you do stops. It should show up down here, but it shows at the time I placed it. The target for your profit always shows up at the placement that you want the price at, but the stop goes in at the time. Don't like that drop, but it's still in the new 5-minute highs. So I do like that it's still in 5-minute highs, and I'm just going to hold. If it makes a new 5-minute low, I'll be out with a small loser, and it'll be fine because it was a good trade idea. Good trade idea. Wow, look at that huge jump. All right. That's interesting. Someone trying to hold. You have this big volume, wasn't able to push it down. Then there was buyers. This is going to form as an indecision candle. We want it to form as an indecision candle, hopefully. Said hopefully it's a bull flag and continues to go up on this 15-minute chart. And you know what? This could very well be the bottom of the day, and my stop might be too tight. But so by reducing my stop, I'm limiting my risk, but I'm also making it more likely that I am going to get stopped out. So this is where you want to see. What do you want to see? The new 1-minute high. Yes, you want to see that. Now you want to see a new 2-minute high. You want to see buyers above the up. So we want to see green right here. Okay, we get green. You see no red? There's like no red. No one's selling. It's only in between. There's a lot of buying, buying, buying. In between the spread and green buying. Which means people are hitting the ask is what it means. They're hitting the ask. It's... Okay, so now the problem is, no, it's close, right? If this acts as the resistance that it could act at, I'm like right at the resistance. So this moving average is going down into this. There's going to be a lot of sellers right here, but I need the 50. The 50 is key. I might have to change my partial depending on where these moving averages come into play and even reduce it less to a 3-to-1. But you see it's trying to hold view up. We need a new 2-minute high. We've got the new 1-minute high. We need a new 2-minute high to bust through this. We have the moving average cross happening on the 1. We had buying come in on Time&Sales. So again, there's a lot of things going in my favor, and it just might not work out. The resistance might be too heavy. But the buyers were trying. They gave a surge, and they're still there. You see that? This is what Time&Sales trading is. You're looking for a lot of green buying and moving up. Look at that. We got the flood now. Now it's at the resistance point. I need one more little. It made a new 5-minute high. I need one little move up. Bam! All out 100%. Whew. All right, let me cancel my stop. Ah, yes. Oh, that was a fun trade. And you see that? Look at that baby right there. When you've seen these things happen enough times... When you've seen them happen enough times, you know where to put your entries and exits. I don't care if this continues to go. I guarantee you this wick was created by selling just like me. Selling that happens just like what I did right there. Put the stop down, bam. Right? Because, okay, sorry. I didn't explain that right. Because I have my limit order here, that is a sell order, okay? So when buyers come up here, no sell from me, no sell from me, no sell from me. And now all of a sudden their buying order is getting eaten up by my sell order. And then if other people do that too, it could still be a long. I mean, look, we talked about this. No new 5-minute low. Bull flag. Yes, break. But see, I'm at the resistance here. So it could still be long if it busts through that. But if I get out near the resistance, knowing that it might not go any further, you know, again, those orders that are placed with me bring the price down. And then it's going to maybe hold these supports, right? Maybe it'll make a technical breakout and this 50 moving average will come under. But I got my 2.5 to 1. I waited. I had patience. I reduced my risk also, which was really good. That was a really good thing for you to see where you can reduce your risk. And sometimes if I reduce my risk, I'll add in shares. So I reduce the price of my risk and then I add more shares so the total risk is the same. I didn't do that this time. I just limited my risk and got all out. Look at that. Let's see what the top one is. I got filled at 1745 and the top here was 1748. That was fun. All right, if you have any questions or comments below, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you guys very much for watching. Oh, and hey, yeah, so please subscribe. If you guys like this stuff, please subscribe. Please get notified for any of the playlists you like, and please tell other traders. If you guys have any other ideas or other traders do that see this that want ideas for videos, we are open to hearing and getting your feedback. We want to know what people want to see. We're trying to provide content and information. That's why I started doing live trades, for content where people can see things happen live from me. People in our chat get to see things from Andrew every day, right? But we don't always stream live on YouTube. So I wanted to make these for just more type of content. So please, if you have any requests or any ideas that you think would be killer, you know, write them in the comment section, and I'll probably do it if it's a good idea and if I can do it. So thanks guys for watching. Appreciate it. Have a good one.